Mesothelioma is a rare type of cancer that develops in the lungs, abdomen, or heart due to exposure to asbestos. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, it can be an overwhelming and emotional experience. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on Mesothelioma Law Firm. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about mesothelioma law firms and how to choose the right lawyer for your specific needs. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of mesothelioma law firms together. What is mesothelioma? Mesothelioma is a type of cancer that affects the lining of organs such as the lungs, abdomen, and heart. The disease develops when a person inhales or swallows asbestos fibers, which become lodged in the body's tissues. Over time, these fibers cause inflammation and scarring that can lead to mesothelioma. There are three main types of mesotheliomas: pleural, peritoneal, and pericardial. Each type presents with its own set of symptoms and treatment options. Symptoms of mesothelioma include shortness of breath, chest pain, coughing up blood, abdominal pain and swelling, nausea and vomiting, weight loss for no apparent reason. These symptoms often do not appear until years after exposure to asbestos has occurred. It is important to seek medical attention if you have been exposed to asbestos or experience any symptoms related to mesothelioma. A proper diagnosis from a qualified physician, followed by legal help from an experienced lawyer, could make all the difference in your case. Types of mesotheliomas. Mesothelioma is a rare type of cancer that affects the mesothelial tissue in the body. There are different types of mesotheliomas, which can affect different parts of the body. The most common types include pleural mesothelioma, peritoneal mesothelioma, and pericardial mesothelioma. Pleural mesothelioma is the most common form of this cancer, and it affects the lining around the lungs. It usually develops after inhaling asbestos fibers and may take years or even decades to manifest symptoms. Peritoneal mesothelioma affects the lining around the abdominal organs and constitutes about 10 to 20% of all cases. It spreads faster than other forms, but has a better prognosis when diagnosed early on. Pericardial mesothelioma is extremely rare as it only makes up for 1% of all cases. It develops in tissues surrounding heart muscles, causing chest pain, arrhythmia, or cardiac arrest. Testicular mesotheliomas account for less than 1% of all reported cases, and its symptom includes testicular swelling or mass. It's important to know that each type may have unique characteristics when diagnosed, hence treatment varies depending on individual diagnosis. Understanding which type you have will help your lawyer build a stronger case against those responsible for exposing you to asbestos leading to your current condition. The lawsuit process. The process of filing a lawsuit for mesothelioma is complex and can be overwhelming for patients and their families. It's important to understand the steps involved in pursuing legal action against those responsible for causing your illness. First, it's essential to gather all medical records related to your mesothelioma diagnosis, as well as any evidence that may tie the disease to asbestos exposure. This information will be used by your lawyer throughout the case. Next, your attorney will file a complaint on your behalf, which outlines the allegations against those responsible for exposing you or a loved one to asbestos. The defendant will then have an opportunity to respond with their own version of events. Discovery follows this initial phase where both parties exchange information such as depositions, documents, and expert testimony in order to clarify facts so that both sides are fully informed before proceeding with litigation or trial. Negotiations towards settlement usually take place after discovery concludes because most cases settle out of court if possible. If no agreement can be reached in settlement negotiations, how to choose the right lawyer for mesothelioma. Choosing the right lawyer for mesothelioma is crucial for your case. Here are some tips to help you find the best attorney for your needs. Firstly, look for an experienced and specialized mesothelioma lawyer who has a proven track record of winning cases in this area. A well-versed lawyer will know how to navigate complex asbestos laws and regulations. Secondly, consider the communication skills of the lawyer. You want someone who can explain legal processes and terminology in plain language that is easy to understand. They should also be responsive to all of your questions or concerns throughout the process. Thirdly, evaluate their commitment level towards their clients by looking at their reviews or referrals from past clients. It's important that they're willing to go above and beyond for you and ensure that justice is served. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.